saya nikahkan dan saya kawinkan anak kandung saya, Dainita Setiawadani, dengan engkau, dengan mas kawin berupa seperempat alat sholat, perhiasan emas 15 gram, dan uang sebesar Rp1.982.18 dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Dainita Setiawadani binti Bapak Joko Pamungkas untuk diri saya dengan mas kawin berupa tersebut dibayar tunai.
Saksi sah, barokah.
Pada hari ini Ahad tanggal 19 Agustus 2018 saya Ujal Winardi Saputra bin Bapak Suparmo berjanji dengan seseru hati bahwa saya akan mempergauli istri saya bernama Dainita Setiawadani binti Bapak Joko Pamungkas dengan baik wa asyaraf bil ma'ruf menurut ajaran Islam.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. And there goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my head shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding, and I need you now. And if I could turn back the clock, I'd make sure the light defeated the dark. I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe, and I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. I don't wanna feel no more. I don't wanna hurt no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you are the reason. Closer, just a little closer. Come a little closer. I need you to hold me tonight.
Bu, ingkang luhuring budi, ingkang ngukir jiwa lan raga kawula, ingkang agung pangorbanane paring pituduh luhur, rinenten kawandhawuh tansah ngesti mrih rahayuning putra, lulus kang kinayo sedaya ribet rubis do tansah linambaran kanthi sabaring penggalih Bapa Ibu ingkang putra nyuwun dipangestuni
ya jagat tulung garwamu direksaya nggir ping pindhone aja ngantek gawe larane ngati luwih ngantek nglarani randu jiwane aja nganti yo nggir kowe putraku sing becah bagus sing tak kadang-kadang muga apa ning kogayuh kasembadyan jumbuh karo kegayuhan.
See me as your enemy, or see me as your friend. It is 19 months since I was there and held you in my hand. It is 18 since I told you, and you took away my name. Now when you saw me, you turned away your head. You won't forgive me, and I will understand. Now and then.
Semoga jadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah dan warohmah. Amin.
Semoga segera dapat momongan tahun ini. Amin. Semoga kerjanya lancar. Semoga rezekinya tambah banyak.
Semoga sehat selalu. Amin.
Selamat ya Mbak Inta. Semoga menjadi keluarga yang berbahagia dan cepat dapat momongan. Amin. Selamat ya Mbak Inta. Us banget ya. Semoga cepat dapat momongan ya Mbak. Harus cepat pokoknya. Sini semua tuh pada gila ya namanya dede-dede kecil. Selamat ya Dede Inta. Semoga bahagia terus, rukun terus.
Buat Inta dan Yuda, keponakanku yang cantik dan ganteng, selamat menempuh hidup baru. Semoga selalu menjadi keluarga yang sakinah mawaddah warohmah, selalu dalam lindungan Allah, selalu dalam ridho dan rahmatnya, sampai bahagia, langgeng, sampai selamanya dunia wal akhirat. Amin.
And still today, you will not pretend you won't believe me, and I will understand now and then.